Patients want straighter teeth. Did you know there are 2 million Google searches each month for clear aligners or invisible braces? Here at Reveal, we know how valuable your patients are to you. So, we'd like to help you keep them, all while providing additional services that will make your patients happy and grow your practice to new levels. Getting to yes begins with your checkup and how you educate or inform your patients that there is a problem, followed by presenting the consequences of leaving the problem untreated. Lastly, offering a solution, Reveal Clear Aligners. It's as easy as problem, consequence, solution. Educating and informing your patient of the problem can be as simple as saying, "I'm concerned about the crowding I see on your lower arch and the hygiene challenges it looks like crowding is causing." Or, "I'm concerned about the premature wear I'm seeing due to misalignment." Presenting the consequences of untreated problems can consist of statements like, "The crowding on your lower arch can lead to cavities, gum disease, potential tooth loss, and can affect your smile." There are many solutions out there, and this is where you assure your patient there is an easy, affordable solution. Reveal Clear Aligners are a comfortable, affordable, aesthetic solution that doesn't stain and is nearly invisible. Talk to your patients today about Reveal Clear Aligners.